Attachment to praise is as bad as attachment to blame. If I send you an email to an email ID wrongly addressed, with probably even an alphabet here or there, what happens? It bounces back. Naturally, it bounces back. So a wrongly addressed email, it just bounces back and it gets rejected from the server. We shall have to adopt this in our life also. Difficult, no doubt. But as I said, enormous patience, enormous perseverance is there. It is possible. So all the praise and all the blame that are addressed to this first person singular I, it needs to be rejected and bounced back to the source. It should be bounced back to the source. Attachment to praise is as bad as attachment to blame. It is equally dangerous. So therefore, we should try. If somebody says a good word about me, I am in cloud 9. And if somebody blames me, then I am in the depths of depression. So therefore, we should think that all of this that is happening, it comes from the divine and goes back to the divine. Let us bounce it back to the divine. If somebody praises me, I should say, "Oh Lord, praise be to you." Somebody blames me, I say, "Oh Lord, blame be to you." Of course, we are very, very fast to do that, the second one, but the first one is difficult. So, but let us remember this one example of bouncing back of the email to the source. It is the nature of the world, however, to shower praise or to heap blame upon us. We have plenty of that. But most of us, we have no problems with the praise, but when it comes to blame, we are in the defensive. So if I am very greedy for praise, then I will be fearful of criticism. You will observe this. Those people who are extremely greedy for name, fame, and approbation, they are extremely fearful of criticism. They are very protective of themselves. They will not let anybody criticize them, and if they do, then they will take the life out of the person who does. So therefore, both this praise and blame is highly addictive, if I can say that. It is highly addictive. So, to spare myself of this addiction, I must find a way to diligently deal with such praise or blame. So, Karma Yoga says, make an effort to remain unaffected by both this praise and blame. Bounce it back to the divine.